challenging year for all of us, but let's end it with some cheer, on a good note. Let's all try and be merry, because this is the season. This is a festive season, and more importantly, the season of Jesus's birth, or the time of his birth. So let's put aside our cares and our troubles for a while and think on the positives. I pray, and I know everybody else is praying, many are praying, that 2021 will be a better year. Anyhow, guys, today I have something, a dish to share with you all. It's called Bacon Melody Vegetable Stir Fried Rice. And this is something, guys, you all can make over the Christmas period. So just watch and enjoy. Okay, see you all in the next clip. Bye, bye, bye for a while. So continue watching. All right. Hello guys, how you all doing today? Today I'm going to be making a bacon and vegetable stir fried rice. My rice has already been boiled, pre-boiled. This is it here. And guys, I don't use soya sauce. There's a time I used to use soya sauce for my fried rices, but I don't. In order to get my rice, because it's too salty, in order to get my rice brown, I use this balsamic vinegar of Madeira. It's brown, and all you have to do is put this into the rice as much as you want, or as little as you want, well, as much as you want actually, to get it brown. And then it comes to this brown color, or you know, the off-white color. The rice is no longer white. Okay. So you can use that instead of soy sauce, which is so sweet. I mean, sorry, so salty. Too much salt, not good for anybody. So this is the bacon. I've just got one bacon left. So here am I chopping it up. I'm giving this bacon a bit of love. At least I'm cutting it with the scissors. Which is not as sharp as a knife. This is my funny joke. My funny joke. So that's it. Cutting it up into bits. Right. So here I've got my vegetables. My bell peppers, red and green, my sweet corn, my carrot, my cabbage, and my onions. So, oops, turn up the fire a bit. So there we go, guys. I'm adding the onions first. To give it some flavor. And then I add my cabbage next, because cabbage is strong. You know, it's got a kind of a strongish kind of a texture. So here I am sauteing onions, the onions and the cabbage. And now I go in with my bacon. Right. So I'm now going in with my other ingredients. And I'm going to leave some of the carrots. I'm going to leave because I like my stir fried rice to have a crunchy taste to it. Right. So that's what we do, guys. Wow. Right. shines upon us now. Lord keep us, yes, Lord keep us, all of us. And this time we are going through. So here it is, guys, frying away nicely. Nicely. Then I'm going to add a little bit of chili. Crushed chili. Wow, this looks so beautiful. And in goes my rice. In goes the rice, guys. Right. Wow, I wish y'all were here so y'all could smell this. I'm going to fry my mince beef. It's pretty like having me some mince. Oh gosh. I'm using this please can you be careful. Right. Some sunflower oil to fry this. I use different oils, sometimes I use coconut oil, and then we'll call it color oils. Alright. So black pepper. I will get right. And I'm going to add a bell pepper. Not bell pepper, I mean Scotch bonnet pepper. I feel I want this mince to have a little bit of. The black pepper is not hot enough for me. I want to have that Scotch bonnet flavor, you know. I want it to have that Scotch bonnet flavor. Just poke it just a little bit. I just got it out from the fridge, from the freezer.